go.
Hi guys, my name is Webby Gray, and remember the recap? Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Now day 6, this one. Yep, that's right, day 6. So we're going to open this box. Let's open it. Oops, sorry. Oops. What do we got? Oops. Oh. I did see. I thought you think this was a part of the set because it was to be there. I think too. Because look at it. It was a. Let me see it again. Shattered glass ironite. I wonder why they get that and put it that. So give me that. Don't ask YouTube why I'm using scissor. Oops. Oops. So man, the data look good. Very good. It look like the ironhide from Rise of the Falcons. Man, do you love it? I think no parts, huh? I make it into a Star Wars gray version when we use my strip. Oh god, that's good. There is. Okay, I think this is thunderstorm. But good luck, guys. You can hear the thunderstorm when I'm building. Just ignore it. Pretend there's not a thunderstorm. It's just the sky in the morning. That's good. Satisfying to watch. I wonder why the toys is here. And I don't want the iron. I just wanted the version of this. Wait a second. That gun look familiar. It's the same. Okay, sorry guys. Nice. So I feel this is a long video. So I'm going to almost end it, guys. Oh, that's fine. It didn't fall down. No harm. I think they are twins. Oh, Blokees, come back. Goodbye.